hi, I'm going to be trying to turn this old television into a cat house. So I found an old TV on the side of the road, so I'm going to be pulling it out, cleaning it off a little bit, and then taking the back off to see what we find inside.
You think that's a 1/4 inch? Try and see if that fits the thing.
All right, so it turns out we needed a 1/4 inch thing.
Oh, we don't know yet.
Maybe. Woo! I have my glasses on and I caught that. It's too large.
What do you mean?
But it's not.
Not too small. I caught better. Oh, it was backwards. Oh, wow.
Now you gotta take this out. So you take this off, it looks like.
I know, for real. Some hard work.
You just need the extension.
I'm kidding.
These things have extensions.
Are you seriously doing that right now?
Now just indiscriminately use your drill in a reverse setting with an extension on it
I'm not gonna listen to this.
to remove random things with brute force.
Brute force with cutters, with wire cutters, with
Ooh.
hammer, glass.
Don't hit that though. It'll blow. Because it's made of glass.
Yeah, this is the cathode,
And that's the cathode.
I think.
I did find this mallet, a large flathead screwdriver, 2 of these. I think they're called pliers. And here is a box cutter. I have dishwashing gloves and I think that that's gonna be what I go with because this looks disgusting to touch. How do the other people do this on YouTube? They're just like, so I gutted the television. Okay, something's moving. McKenna, can I have some words of encouragement?
You are doing awesome. I think you should maybe cut, making sure that nothing's connected.
Wow. You can cut wires with a box cutter. Yeah, I kind of thought I would just like open it up and then
Pull
take
it
stuff
out.
out. Yeah.
Well, these are screwed, so you could take that bottom piece, and that's what probably let that out.
Good call. Oh, yes, girl. You need a husband, you need a McKenna. I'm impressed every single time this box cutter works. Okay. Got this thing out. Okay, he said this is the part that can break. All right, lift this out. Look at the progress we've made so far. No, too big. Too big. They seem too big. Okay, so this one's a 10. This one's a 7. This is a 5/16. Why did it change measurement styles? All right, back to my prying. Okay, I think I'm stuck. I can't get this out. And I think I have to take out those 4 corners to lift this out. I'm stuck and I need help. I've been handed this thing. Must be this end. Thanks, babe. So I definitely do not want to grab the glass part that can shatter this little vacuum tube. Is it a vacuum tube? Some kind of tube. Transistor radio. So it is loose. It moves. It moves. That's great. All right. So the whole bulk of the weight comes from this thing. Oh fuck. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and see what's underneath it, and if I need to, I can always just put another piece of wood down. Figure out what to do with this thing. In the meantime, I'm gonna clean this up. Yes, I've made so much progress. design part's gonna be a piece of cake compared to all of that. All right, I'll show it to you when it's all cleaned up.